Hey y'all, it's your girl Nabria, and I'm back with another video. Oh yeah, before you get into this video, can you please like and subscribe down there, okay? So today, we're gonna learn how to make some food in the microwave that usually don't get cooked in the microwave. So let's go. We're gonna cook some chicken strips. What's this called? Chicken strips, okay. I'm making some chicken strips in the wait. And probably some other stuff. And we're gonna do a vlog of my other friend, Anaya. That's her name. And it's so funny right now what I'm about to say. I only have 1 subscriber. We need to go up the budget. Like more. And soon I will start making slime videos. So don't think my YouTube channel is boring because I do boring stuff. I try to make it as fun as possible for y'all. It's so hard.
Hey baby.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. Gotta play my cool when people come. Okay. I have no idea how I'm gonna go. Okay, so you guys, I got 6. Okay, y'all, I got my 6 chicken strips, and we're gonna go put it in the microwave. I'm just gonna put it on 30 seconds to see how it reacts. If it comes out, excuse me. If it comes out good, that is so cool. And y'all, I did some redecorating in my room. Let me go check it out. Let's put 30 seconds up, which is why I'm walking down the hall probably. So dark, I know. Voila! Redecorating. So the bed is purple. Look at me in the mirror. Haha. My dollhouse. Chair. Toys and stuff. Okay, so y'all, it stopped. We're gonna go check on it. See how it came out. Also, we'll be taking y'all on the swimming adventure. Okay. So, wow, still kind of normal, just a little cold. All the frost is off what it was at first. You guys can see it. Don't want my camera to fall, I just got it. So we're gonna put on another 30 seconds and see how long it takes. Right now, we're gonna dance. Hey, jiggle, jiggle, pop, and my hips let her rock. Swing left, swing right, my weave in tight. Put it out, hit him with that boot dynamite. Put it out, Reggie and my booty feeling tight. Jiggle, jiggle, pop, and my hips let her rock. Okay. Swing left, swing right, my weave in tight. Hood, yeah. Hit on with that boot, dynamite. Hood, thank you. They smell good. Wish y'all could smell it. Okay, so they warm a little. I'm just gonna flip them like you really supposed to do. Oh, okay, so after that 30 seconds, I'm gonna like taste it. This tastes like it's still with me on freezer for a long time. Dang, I done wasted up 5 minutes already. That thing go fast. Hey, back to my yeah, I just came back from school though, because I still got everything on. Okay, yeah guys, that was my last time. Smoke coming out of it. Look, even have little like steams at the bottom of it. Like little, the yellow is the steam. Okay, so time for the taste test, and I'm just gonna add like little stuff on it. Want to see how much stuff we got? Like, and like little stuff to it. I'm really rock on that block. So I'm gonna taste the one that I bit off right now. Very hot and making my y'all chicken. Is that ever happened to y'all? Y'all cook something in y'all ear, y'all jaw start tickling. I don't know if it's yet. We got everything but ketchup. Oh, we got ketchup. Looks like a little bit though. Wow. This, and there's not even nothing in there. Wow. That's actually good. Mouth hurt. So I'm gonna add a little seasoning just to get it kicking. Ooh, really too much. Ooh. Hope it didn't mess up. I should have just tried it on one. Hot. That would have good go bad with ketchup. So just get this video to like 6 likes. Yeah.